Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Exercise 6.1, question number 6. Prove the following identities: sin A minus sin B over cos A plus cos B plus cos A minus cos B over sin A plus sin B equals 0. Now, let us write the identity first. Sin A minus sin B over cos A plus cos B plus cos A minus cos B over sin A plus sin B equals 0. Now LHS, here we have to take LCM of denominator, that is cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. Now by cross multiplying we have sin A minus sin B into sin A plus sin B, that is sin squared A minus sin squared B. Like this here, that means cos A plus cos B into cos A minus cos B is cos squared A minus cos squared B. Look at here, we have sin squared A plus cos squared A minus sin squared B plus cos squared B, because we took minus out, over cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. Now look at this numerator, sin squared A plus cos squared A is 1. Here sin squared B plus cos squared B is 1, minus 1 over cos A plus cos B here sin A plus sin B, which is equal 0, 1 minus 1 is 0 over cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. Now 0 by anything is 0, which is equal to RHS. So we proved LHS equal RHS. Now the second part of the question, that is here sin cube A plus cos cube A over sin A plus cos A. The sin cube A minus cos cube A over sin A minus cos A equal to. Now second part, now sin cube A plus cos cube A over sin A plus cos A plus sin cube A minus cos cube A over sin A minus cos A, LHS. Now which is equal, here we know that sin cube A plus cos cube A is sin A plus cos A whole cube minus 3 sin A into cos A into plus sin A plus cos A. That means the identity A cube plus B cube is A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into A plus B. Like that, the denominator is sin A plus cos A. This side also sin A cube minus cos B cube is sin A minus cos A whole cube. Here plus comes plus 3 sin A cos A into sin A minus cos A over here sin A minus cos A. Now I'll take LCM as sin A plus cos A into sin A minus cos A. Which will give before that here we have to split for sin A plus cos A for both. We give dividing sin A plus cos A is sin A plus cos A the square minus sin A plus cos A. Here sin A plus cos A cut, it gives 3 sin A cos A plus like this here also sin A minus cos A, here sin A minus cos A whole cube gives sin A plus cos A whole square plus 3 sin A cos A, because sin A minus cos A cut, 3 sin A into cos A. So we have expanding now sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A cos A, that is sin A plus cos A whole square minus 3 sin A into cos A. Like this, the second part here expressing sin A plus cos A whole square is, before that we can cut this quantity. Which one? Here 3 sin A cos A plus 3 sin A cos A cut both. So we have 2 this is what so we have sin A plus cos A whole square plus sin A plus cos A whole square we have here this minus, not plus. Now look at here, we can expand this one. Sin squared A plus cos squared A plus 2 sin A cos A. Here sin A minus cos A whole square is sin squared A plus cos squared A minus 2 sin A into cos A. Here plus 2 sin A cos A cut minus 2 sin A cos A cut. Also sin squared A plus cos squared A is 1. Here also sin squared A plus cos squared A is 1, which is equal to, which is RHS. We got LHS equal RHS. Hence we proved. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.